Good morning, students. We are on our chapter periodic classification of elements or periodic table, and in continuation of chapter we are here again. Now, as you know, the last turn we have discussed Mendeleev's periodic law, and according to which it is the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Beside that, we have discussed on the last turn the main points of Mendeleev's periodic table. And during the discussion, we have seen that Mendeleev arranged the then invented elements into groups and periods, from which vertical columns are called groups and the horizontal rows are called periods. Now, as we have discussed on the last turn, that he classified element on the basis of number one, that is similarities in chemical properties of elements, and the second point is increasing order of atomic masses of elements. Now, today we will talk about the merits and demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. So, according to the other scientists that have worked in this periodic table, that they have found the merits of many merits of in Mendeleev's periodic table. So, first merit is that he corrected the atomic masses of certain elements. For example, he has corrected the atomic mass of beryllium. He has calculated it and found that earlier it was 14.9, but now it is 9.01. So he has corrected the atomic mass of beryllium. Then second merit, all non-elements were grouped, means groups of all non-elements was given by Mendeleev on the basis of similarities and properties. Then he has left gaps for yet to be discovered elements, or he predicted the undiscovered elements. He left a few gaps and predicted that following elements should be discovered and they should occupy the space left in periodic table. He predicted the properties of undiscovered elements and helped in discovery of these elements. He named the undiscovered element by prefixing a Sanskrit numeral eka, means 1, to the name of the preceding similar or analogous element in the same group. For example, eka boron, eka aluminium, eka silicon, etc. And all these elements were discovered later and had properties similar to the predicted elements by Mendeleev. For example, predicted element eka aluminium, and its atomic mass is 68, but actual that is 69.7, and he has given the found the formula of oxide of it, E2O3, then now which is given as Ga2O3, and formula for its oxide is its chloride was discovered by Mendeleev, ECl3, and now it is GCl3. He also corrected the atomic weights of certain elements on the basis of their position in periodic table. Now we will talk about the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. That is grouping of chemically dissimilar elements. Certain elements which were having dissimilar or different properties were grouped together in Mendeleev periodic table. For example, copper and silver have no resemblance with alkali metals, lithium, sodium and potassium, etc. But these have been grouped together in Mendeleev periodic table. On the other hand, he has placed separate chemically similar elements separately, certain elements which appear to be chemically similar like copper, mercury and platinum, gold have been placed in separate groups although they are chemically similar. Next point, position of noble gases. The position of noble gases did not provide place in Mendeleev's periodic table. So these noble gases which were discovered later did not provide got place in Mendeleev's periodic table. Then position of isotopes. Isotopes, as we know, isotopes of similar chemical properties but different atomic masses. And according to Mendeleev's law, isotope of an element finds separate space. So no place for isotopes was assigned in Mendeleev periodic table, although they differ in atomic mass. For example, isotopes of hydrogen are having mass 1, 2 and 3, but no place was assigned for them. Next point, position of hydrogen. Hydrogen, as we know, resembles both with alkali metals as well as halogen. It forms positive ions like alkali metals and negative ions like halogen. Thus, position of hydrogen was not justified. Next point, inversion in the periodic table. Although most of the elements were placed in order of increasing atomic masses, but increasing order could not be maintained in all cases. Example, cobalt atomic mass 58.93 preceded nickel at nickel atomic mass 58.71. Another example, tellurium atomic mass 127.6 preceded iodine atomic mass 126.90. So these are the inversion in his periodic table. So these are the merits and demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. That's all for today. On next turn we will discuss modern periodic table. So that's all. Thank you. अब कार्ड इसने अब्दुल्ला